Hey guys, it's Jennifer Wilson, your guide here at Simple Scrapper. I wanted to film this quick video today to invite you to a very special party this November. You see, Simple Scrapper is turning 10 years old. A decade ago, I moved across the country, got married, started a new job, and started this business all within a 4-month span. Needless to say, it was a bit of a hectic time, but I wouldn't trade any moment of the past 10 years. It's been a wonderful ride, and I am so looking forward to the next decade to come. If you'd love to have a weekend that's just for yourself, without having to leave your pajamas, I'd love for you to come to our anniversary party the weekend of November 9th through 11th. You can enjoy open crop time, fun games, challenges, and prizes when you join us at this free event. You can find that link down below this video. I'm so excited to have you here, and I hope you're having a great week, and I also hope to see you in November.